ವೆಲ್ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎರಡು ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಶೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಾಗ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಗಿವನ್ x to the power of 2/3 plus y to the power of 2/3 is equal to a to the power of 2/3. The problem seems to be like this now. Differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Differentiating the function with respect to x. What is differentiation of x to the power of 2/3? X to the power of n formula n into x to the power of n minus 1 plus what is the differentiation of y to the power of 2/3? Same thing, 2/3 y to the power of 2/3 minus 1 into differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of a constant is 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y to the power of n ಅಂದ್ರೆ n into y to the power of n minus 1 into differentiation of y. Regroup the term consisting of y only ಅಥವಾ y dash ನ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2/3 y to the power of 2 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1/3 into dy by dx equals ಇದು ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ minus 2/3 x to the power of minus 1/3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ 2/3 minus 1 LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 minus 3/3 2 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1/3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Shall I cancel 2/3 on both the side? ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then look at the remaining. What is the thing? dy by dx is equal to x to the power of minus 1/3 with negative sign divided by y to the power of minus 1/3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Definitely the value of dy by dx is equal to minus by y ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y to the power of 1/3 by x to the power of 1/3. Therefore your dy by dx is equal to minus of y divided by x to the power of 1/3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. That is the required answer, of course, right? Cube root of y by x. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ dy by dx ಅಂತ dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Another alternative answers will be given this like this now. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Look at the idea. Let me have the parametric equations of x and y. Okay, look at the things now. I will substitute. Let x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta ಅಂತ substitute. Okay, so just I am substituting. X is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that what will happen, this equation ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ a cos cube theta and a sin cube theta will become the parametric forms of x and y ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? I will tell you once again. ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, if they will substitute the equation x to the power of 2/3 plus y to the power of 2/3 is equal to a to the power of 2/3, then these two will be defined as the parametric forms of x and y ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. So I will substitute now. Therefore we have, which is the equation, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. Satisfied with that check point first. X and Rishtapa, a cos cube theta to the power of 2 by 3. Correct? Plus what is the value of y? A sin cube theta to the power of 2 by 3 equals, expel back to the answer of a to the power of 2 by 3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ these two equations will satisfy the equation x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. A to the power of 2 by 3 into cos cube theta to the power of 2 by 3 plus ಇದು a to the power of 2 by 3 sin cube theta to the power of 2 by 3. Look at this one. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ a to the power of 2 by 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. What is the remaining term? Cos cube theta to the power of 2 by 3 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos square theta ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square theta ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. Now what will happen to this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. 1 into a to the power of 2 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a to the power of 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So now ನಾನು ಏನು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, these two parameters ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು a cos cube theta and a sin cube theta will satisfy the equation x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. So therefore I can easily write x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta as the problem instead of this. Therefore differentiate like that. What will happen to dx by dt? Equation dx by dt differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. a ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. What is the differentiation of cos cube theta? 3 cos square theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta is the remaining term. Minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. I will differentiate y also. Therefore, what will happen to the value of y? dy by dt test per check. dy by dt. Here is the a constant and differential of sin cube theta is 3 sin square theta into cos theta. 3 sin square theta into cos theta. Simplify this. This should be equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now, as you know that basic rule of Buddha, therefore we know that your dy by dx will always be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta anta ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. These two are the parametric forms of differentiation. Shall I substitute ಮಾಡಲಾ? Therefore your dy by dx is also equal to, now what is the value of dy by d theta? dy by d theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3a sin square theta into cos theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಪ್ಪ? What is dx by d theta? Minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. So one of the 3a cancel ಮಾಡಿ, one of the sin theta cancel ಮಾಡಿ, one of the cos theta cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Now what is your dy by dx is equal to minus sin theta divided by cos theta ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ tan theta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, equation 1 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is it? Let me find the value of tan theta. Tan theta ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is the thing, right? But we know that we have to divide ಮಾಡಲಾ? a sin cube theta by a cos cube theta ಅಥವಾ y by x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? y by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? a sin cube theta y value x value ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ a cos cube theta is the value of x. चलिए आंसर यही है. sin cube theta by cos cube theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು tan cube theta is equal to y by x. Therefore, what will happen to theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan cube theta y by x. So tan theta y by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta is equal to cube root of y by x. Cube root of y by x. Because ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ tan theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ tan theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Now, very clear. From equation 1 and 2, ಎರಡು equation compare ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to okay minus tan theta cube root of y by x. Cube root of y by x. That's all the answer. I can write those things here. So now if I can do it in 2 methods. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ x is equal to 2 by 3 plus y is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 by writing its parametric form ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಅಥವಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you can ask this problem. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Remember, this is one very important type of problem. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ನೌ, ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ರೈಟ್. Right. So I am looking at second problem. Second problem try ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. I will write the problem and we shall go one by one now. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Given the value of x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Tan t by 2. This is the problem which is given to you. Parameter available. T is the parameter because I am representing both x and y in terms of t. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಹ in terms of t represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So t is the most suitable parameter. So differentiating this function with respect to t. Differentiating this function with respect to t. Your dx by dt will becomes ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏನಿರುತ್ತದೆ? ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. Cos t ಎಷ್ಟು? Minus sin t plus. Now, what is the log of a function is 1 by tan t. 1 by tan t. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? Into. This is a composite function. Composite function ಅದು. Log of tan of t by 2. Log of tan of t by 2. ಮೂರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 by tan t by 2. Differentiation of tan theta is secant square t by 2. Secant square t by 2 into differentiation of t by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Look at all the differentiations. Carefully observe this one. Very important problem. ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸುಮಾರು ಸರಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. cos t ಗೆ minus sin t, log of tan t by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by tan t by 2 into differentiation of tan is secant square t by 2 into t by 2 ಗೆ 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I want to simplify this portion. ಈ portion ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore, your dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus. Now, what is 1 by tan t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 1 by tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ 1 divided by tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? I am writing just tan theta sin theta by 2 cos t by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ into. Shall I write what is secant square x? 1 divided by cos square x. 1 by cos square t by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Got it? 1 by tan t by 2 na sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Secant square na 1 by cos square t by 2. 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 of the cos t by 2 cancel. 1 of the cos t by 2 cancel. I will let the remainder here. Mikra does everything. Dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by, I will let him go 2 sin theta by 2 into cos t by 2. Look at this. I am writing all the remaining terms here now. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? So 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. But we know that this is one result we know, right? So 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ sin theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I'll make this here. This property na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore, your dx by dt will become dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t as it is, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, plus 1 divided by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is sin t by using this result. ಇದನ್ನು sin t ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? So I am making this 1 by 2 sin theta cos theta is sin theta 1 by sin t ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Now the value of dx by dt is equal to a into. Now write the LCM minus simplify. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. sin t into minus sin t ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin square t plus 1 divided by sin t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Now I'll make you one more simplification. Dx by dt is equal to a into 1 minus sin square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos square theta divided by sin t. Keep this as it is now. It is strong it ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? Now I am making this a into cos square t divided by sin t. ಈ cos square t ಯಾವುದು? 1 minus sin square t formula. Now what is the value of y? ಎರಡನೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So y ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? a into sin t. A simple function is there. y ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the dy by dt is equal to a into differential sin t ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? cos t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Now we know that ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. dy by dx can be done as dy by dt divided by dx by dt ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Because t is a parameter here. t parameter ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ dy by dx ನ dy by dt divided by dx by dt ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to, what is the dy by dt? Here is the equation 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು equation 2 and this will be equation 3. What is the dy by dt? A cos t divided by. What is the dx by dt? a into cos square t divided by sin t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? I can cancel one of the a. Then what is remainder? dy by dx is equal to one of the cos theta ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is remainder? 1 divided by cos x by sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cot x, cot t. Okay. What is 1 by cot theta? Is sin tan theta only. dy by dx is equal to 1 by cot t is tan t. That will be the final answer. Got it? So this is how we can simplify the problem, and this is one of the very important problem we should solve. So a cos t log tan t ಬಂದಿದೆ. cos t differentiation ಬಂದಿದೆ minus sin t. log ಗೆ 1 by tan t into secant square t by 2, t by 2 ಗೆ 1 by 2. Right tan as sin by cos, secant as 1 by cos square. One of the cos cancel. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is the value of sin t. Write LCM and then simplify. Substitute in dy by dx to get the final answer. Right? Remember, these two will be the very important problems for you people. Practice this for maximum number of times. You will get those things right, of course. Right? Yes, let me to look at one more problem. If x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta sin theta, you have to find dy by dx. Another important problem, of course, very important one, of course. Shall I solve one by one? Right? First, put of functions very important. Given the value of x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Shall I differentiate the function with respect to the parameter theta? Parameter theta ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore, your dx by d theta is equal to, keep a constant as it is, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta ಗೆ minus sin theta plus. Now let me look at the differentiation of theta sin theta. U into v. Theta, keep as it is now. What is the differentiation of sin theta? Is cos theta. Plus sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. What is differentiation of theta with respect to theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Differentiation of theta with respect to theta is always 1. Simplify this. Further simplification ಮಾಡೋಣ. dx by d theta is equal to a ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ minus sin theta ಬರ್ತದೆ plus theta cos theta plus into plus sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ shall I cancel sin theta? ಎರಡು sin theta cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Therefore, your dx by d theta is equal to a into theta cos theta is the remaining term. Keep that as it is. We call this will be equation 1. Shall I look at one more? What is the value of y? Y ಎಷ್ಟು a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. Let me differentiate the function with respect to theta, which is a parameter, or which is an independent variable. dy by d theta is equal to, right? A constant as it is. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta minus of. Now look at this. It's for the different terms of u into v. First function into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus second function cos theta as it is. differentiation of theta is 1. Differentiation of theta is the 1. You want me to repeat? First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of theta is 1. Simplify my question. dy by d theta is equal to a into, right, cos theta minus into minus plus theta sin theta minus into plus minus cos theta. Shall I cancel all the cos theta here? Cos theta cancel madla. Then what is the remaining term here? dy by d theta is equal to a into theta sin theta ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. We call this one the equation 2. Right? But we know that the differentiation of y with respect to x na ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can write it as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು. We call this as the equation 3. Now shall I consolidate all the equation 1, 2 and 3? 1, 2 and 3 ಮೂರು equation na consolidate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. From equation 1, 2 and 3 ಮೂರು equation na consolidate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What will happen to dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to, what is your dy by d theta? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? a into theta sin theta, a into theta sin theta divided by, what is your dx by d theta? Here's this equation, a into theta cos theta, a into theta cos theta, a theta cancels. Now I will write the final answer of dy by dx. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to sin theta by cos theta rest of tan theta is the remaining term. So this will be one more important answer, other important problem for the examinations. You love problems so either in 3 marks or in 5 marks only. They can definitely ask 1 to 1 lecture, 2 lecture there. And you practice these problems in this session, and in the next session let me to continue few more problems, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4-5 marks problems solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, solve these problems and practice these things. Thank you.